What's going on, guys? And today I'm going to be seeing if dollar fidget stuff is worth it or not. So I went on Amazon and I bought a fidget cube and a fidget spinner for $1. And this video is actually kind of delayed because they were late, and that's all that came in was this package thing. It was bubble wrap, so it didn't break. And first I'm gonna start with the spinner. And I actually waited a week and tried to make this video to see if they would break or anything. And it actually works just fine. All the bearings on the side work. This is actually first fidget spinner and fidget cube. But I'm gonna see how long it can spin for. Starting now. I didn't do it good. It's about 15 seconds, which isn't the best, but I'm not looking for the longest spinning fidget spinner. So, I mean, it's fine with me. I mean, it's $1, what can you expect? But actually, this is nicer than a lot of the ones I've seen. If you look at it, it's actually like a nice hard plastic. It's not like those cheap ones. And these do come off. And then it still works. But I actually like putting these on. I don't like taking them off. And I actually did drop this once, and it did not break, so that's good. Next, onto the fidget cube, and I actually did drop this, and it didn't break, but it did pop a little right here. But I just squeezed it back together, and it went just fine. And this isn't like the plastic on here isn't like that soft. It's just like regular plastic. This little thumb thingy. All these buttons click. Not just 3 or 2. And the plastic, there's a little wheel right here, which I like to spin. There's a joystick thing that and then moves, and there's gears. There's a little ball right here. It does not click though. And then a light switch. And I do not have anything to compare these to because I was not going to go buy one for $15 or $10. So, because I mean, it just does this. And this does this. Now, I actually do like these a lot, though. I like this one, actually. I think I like this one more than this one, because you can do more things with it. I like just doing this, and I like doing everything with this one, actually. And without besides just spinning these, I like doing this. Not necessarily doing that, you know. Actually, it's kind of loud. I don't know if you can hear that, but and then when you do this, it actually does make a noise. Don't know if you can hear that, but these make noises too. And that's it for this video. And I wanted to say that sorry for not making videos because I've been at camp, and I'll be at camp all next week. and the week after that, then I'm going on a trip somewhere, but I will be working on some videos, and I can't really be telling you what I'm doing just yet, but I will soon. So thank you everyone for watching. Thanks for commenting, liking, and subscribing, and have a good day.